Hello everyone! Maggawa tayo ng pajama. So, maglagay tayo ng horizontal at saka vertical line. Tapos, sa middle, hatiin nyo itong pattern paper. Kailangan magpantay. Sa middle nito is point number 1. From number 1 down to number 2 is length sa pajama nyo. Again, from number 1 to number 3 is your crotch measurement or tero. Point number 3. And your crotch rito sa number 3, then make a line, go to the right and go to the left. From number 3 to the right, kasi nakaharap ako rito, is 1/4 of your hips. Hip 2. So, point number 4. Plus 1.5 inch, 0.5 for the allowance. Standard yan. Allowance ng front. Ayan. Then, connect for a line go up. Then, sa taas, ito, put a mark number 4, 1. Then, connect 5.5 to line 4.1 with a French curve. And then, dito sa kabila, sa left side, from 3 to the left, measure din ng 1/4 ng hips mo. Same din. Lagyan mo ng 4A. Yan. Then, connect 4A up. Lagyan mo ng 4.2. 4.2. From 4A, go to the left, again, 3 inches. This is for the back. Here for the back, and here for the front. Front pajama, back pajama. Ang allowance nito, para makuha ang number 5, is 3 inches. Standard yan. Connect 5A to 4.2 with a French curve. Ito lang, huwag sa taas, dyan lang. Yan, kung saan ganyan. From point 2 to the right, measure mo yung bottom ng leg mo para sa pajama kung ilan, 0.6. Ayan, ang 6A, i-connect mo doon sa crotch ng back, at saka ito, i-connect mo rin ito doon sa baba. Ayan. From 4A, go up 1 inch, then connect dito.